There, welcome to my channel. My name is Chulerak. How are you all doing? Is today your first time seeing this channel? You're welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on your post notification to get notified each time I will be posting any sewing tutorial. So today's tutorial, we're going to make the inner pocket you can use on your bag. Use same method to make on your trouser. So let's get started. This is my lining, and that is my inner pocket pieces. So we are going to mark 10 inches down. That is the length of our inner pocket, 10 inches downward. And we are going to mark 9 inches as the width. Mark 1 inches from the side. The both sides we're going to repeat the same thing. Mark 1 inch. So mark 1 inch from the top. From that top, you are going to mark 0.5 downward. After that, then you connect all the markings like you see on the fabrics. The middle line is going to be our zip opening. From the top of your lining, mark 1.5 inches down. Then you place your inner pocket there. Make sure you pin it down. By the time you're going to the sewing machine, you won't be moving around. And you sew from where those points I'm showing you right now. After you are done sewing, you take off the pins. You can see the back. See how neat it is. So you take your seam ripper, you punch a hole there, right there, punch a hole right there before you use your scissors to cut it open. It was the simplest way for me to get my scissors through. Make sure you punch it open through the two pieces, and then you are going to cut it like you see me doing. Pay attention at that middle point. Make sure it's together from with the lining, and be careful from this edge. Don't cut where you sew out. Just don't forget to cut that place. Just be careful when you're cutting it. Be careful and you cut it out. So then you are going to flip it outside out like you see me doing. Is it in and out? I'll be upside out. Okay. Just do what I'm doing. Just watch carefully and see what I'm doing. After you bring it out that way, you're going to head to the ironing table and give it a good press so it will lay flat. All those shrinks so it will lay flat by the time you're going to attach your zip. And when you are done, everything will come out neat. You see. So now there is something I did here. You are going to, the only way for you to place in sew your zip to it and it's not going to move around, you will need a hemming gum. So I'm cutting out the pieces that I need to place on my zip before I place the fabric to the zip. I don't know if you understand what I mean. That is my hemming gum. So I cut out from there. So just watch carefully and see what I will do. This will save you a lot. So the total width of the opening, the zip opening, is 7. Watch carefully and see what I did. And if you notice that it's not closing properly, just use your pin and hold it down so it will just stay in place like you see me doing. Okay, just take your time, don't rush it, and make sure it's close as possible. Like, get it as much as you can to close to each other, so the zip opening won't be that open that much. Okay, I don't know if you understand what I mean. Please just watch carefully. After you are satisfied with the closeness, then you can press it down, iron it down. You are going to repeat the same step from the other side like you see me doing. Okay, that is the last one. Place it there. If you are able to do this method, it's going to be the easier way for you to sew down your zip, because if you didn't do this, by the time you head to the sewing machine, the pieces will be moving around, so you end up having a rough edges when you are sewing, and I think it's not. I don't think that's what you want. Make sure you iron it. Now you can head to the sewing machine and sew it down. Make sure you do not sew the main pieces to it. Separate it. Make sure it's out of the way before you start sewing. After you're done, trim it off. You can see how it is. It's looking neat already. So you are going to flip it over like you see me doing and pin it down. Pin all the 3 edges. After you're done pinning, you're going to sew with 0.5 inches. Sew all the 3 edges with 0.5 inches. Be careful not to sew on top of your lining. Our inner pocket is ready. So you see how neat it is. It's ready to attach to anything you want to use it on. You can use it on your trouser, use it on your handbag, or anything you think of using this inner pocket on. I want to say a big thank you if you watched this far. And if you are seeing this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your post notification to get notified each time I will be posting sewing tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next sewing tutorial.